Hello, everybody. My name's Kevin Seggi. I'm the CEO of AddLive, and I have with me here Ted Kozak, our CTO. We traveled in from London last night, so it's about 4 o'clock in the morning for us. But we've had a coffee, so it's fine. So AddLive, we're a WebRTC platform. We're a small team. There are only 7 of us, and we've been working with the WebRTC technology since 2010. So literally before WebRTC, the term is even coined, we've been working with the technology through companies like GIPS. We're a full real-time communication stack, so this is quite different to the way other platforms have gone about developing their solution. We're a team of C and C++ based coders. And we focused on this from the very start. So instead of coming from the WebRTC as a layer and then trying to build up in terms of iOS and supporting other devices, we have this core C++ library that makes it very easy for us to support Internet Explorer, Safari via a plugin, as well as native iOS and Android apps. And then we've got SDKs for Linux, for macOS, and Windows. And this also allows us to do other things like screen sharing. We're also a cloud service. So not only do we have the endpoints, the SDKs, we've got a full service in the cloud. We have about 40 streamers running. We're doing a few million minutes at the moment. The system has been built to scale, so it's very easy for us to increase capacity. We allow massive multi-party. We do downlink and uplink adaptation, and we'll talk a bit more about that in the demo. And we also have firewall traversal and proxy support. We grew up in an environment. One of our first customers was a company that served the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. And they, we went through a whole lot of firewall traversal and proxy support stuff that we added in for them, which is useful in the enterprise. Yeah, and we deployed. So we deployed to over 5,000 businesses through our customers' applications. And these are, like I said, large pharmaceuticals, large healthcare providers, even through Bratton Technologies, which is actually a law enforcement social network started by Bill Bratton, the ex-police commissioner of the New York Police Department. So we're being used in a lot of the police departments in the US already. Tonight we're going to announce version 3. We've been working very hard on this. It's taken us about 6 months. One thing that we've been working on from the start is interoperability, obviously, with the Chrome and Firefox native WebRTC, and this is what this brings us. So you can kind of think of us as being a WebRTC stack that has grown alongside the Firefox and the Chrome stacks. And over the last 6 months, we've been working really hard to get there. So what we'll hopefully demo for you tonight is extremely high quality multi-party video, support for WebRTC, so native Chrome. We'll be running a browser, Internet Explorer as well. We've also got an iOS app and an Android app, and we may just have one other. We're going to test that on the fly, so let's hope that works. And we're up. Yeah, so what you can see here is, I'm not sure exactly which one's doing which, but we've got coverage of all the devices here, all the SDKs that we use. So just to go a little bit into the technology, we have both uplink and downlink adaptation. So what this means is we adapt to certain metrics like packet loss, queuing delay, CPU usage, and we do this on the fly in real time. And not only do we do this amongst the the kind of AddLive WebRTC, but also with the Chrome WebRTC. So the Chrome WebRTC will change on the fly as requested. So we'll tell it, to throttle the bandwidth or improve the bandwidth, and it will do it. And I'm not sure if there's anybody else in the room who can do that. I could be wrong, but I think we're the only people who are doing that at the moment. The final thing that we wanted to show you tonight is, and this may be a world first, WebRTC on Google Glass. Google Glass still runs H.264. They don't do VP8, so I think this may be a first across all the different platforms. So I'm going to ask Ted to try and turn that on. Oh, is it on? It's on. Sorry. I can't see at the bottom. Do you want to scroll up? You can see the bottom. Is it the bottom middle one? Okay. Yeah, you can. There we go. So that's WebRTC on Google Glass. Yeah, we're AddLive. We're in booth 202. Please give us a visit. Thank you.